So I just finished up a great week and a half here in Barcelona where I had not a great result in the tournament, but I had a really great week of practice, and I'm really thankful to Albert Costa and the Real Club de Barcelona for them allowing us to train at their club. That was a very nice gesture, and I'm very appreciative towards that. I hit with a lot of great players.
Been going to dinner most nights here in Barcelona. This has been our spot. We've been walking down here, going to the restaurants. We have great view and really lovely, quiet type of atmosphere. We've been going to an Argentine steakhouse, which some of you may or may not know that I spent a couple of years in Argentina training, so it's good memories and it's also good food.
I'm looking forward to Madrid. I think it's going to be a really great tournament for me, and next stop is Madrid.